In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin on a PayPal account or send someone Bitcoin with PayPal. First, open your PayPal app and you will see the main interface. At the top of the screen, tap on the Crypto button. This will take you to the cryptocurrency section where you can see all the supported coins. Next, select Bitcoin from the list. You can also choose other cryptocurrencies, but for this video, we'll focus on Bitcoin. Once you select Bitcoin, you'll see a page with your Bitcoin balance and transaction options. Tap on the two arrows icon at the bottom right of the screen, which will open the transfer options. Since we are sending Bitcoin, tap on the Send button. Now, you need to enter the Bitcoin wallet address of the person or account you want to send Bitcoin to. If you are sending to another PayPal user, you can simply search by their name, email, or phone number. If you are sending to an external wallet like Coinbase, Binance, or Robinhood, make sure to copy their specific Bitcoin wallet address and paste it into the required field. After pasting the wallet address, select the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can type in the exact amount or use the available balance options. On the next page, you will see a review of your transaction, including the Bitcoin amount, network fees, and estimated delivery time, which is usually around 2 hours. Make sure all the details are correct. Once you are ready, tap the Send button to complete the transaction. Your Bitcoin will be sent securely to the recipient, and you'll see a confirmation of the transfer. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.